Hey guys!
Welcome back to Chiq Blend. I'm Qui.
And I'm Richenza Marie.
And today we're doing part 2 of our Louis Vuitton first impressions. And Ree is going to do her impressions of
my Rockabily Ranger Louis Vuitton combat boots.
Yay! If you like our content thus far, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you just want to leave us a comment, you can do that down below. We will respond to you. And if you're interested in this video, keep on watching. The first question is, what made you buy those boots?
So what made me buy these boots is I have been looking for combat boots, a good quality pair of combat boots for so long, and I just really wanted something that I could just dress up, whether it was nighttime, daytime, and that I could literally wear like all year round. So that's what made me buy them.
Okay, so your first impressions of the boots would be?
My first impression was like, good googly moogly, those things is beautiful.
It's actually, that thing is juicy.
I know, but they not juicy.
Okay, so when you first seen them, you just thought they were absolutely gorgeous.
I thought that they were very, very nice. The quality of it, very sleek looking, chic, and super edgy also. So my first impression was I just had to have them no matter what. I went into the store. It was so funny because I was just looking at all the boots and I came across these and I just stopped. And I was like, ma'am, can I get that in a size 9? And like 10 minutes went by and my sister was like, do you even know how much they cost? And I was like, what? I really don't. I didn't care because they were so nice. I just had to have them.
Okay, so since you just had to have them, how much did these retail for?
So these retail for $1,690. I know, but they just so nice.
Okay, so do you think they are worth the price?
You know what? For me, I definitely can say they were worth the price because I've been looking. Aw, thank you, sister.
You're welcome, Sissy.
So I've been looking for a good quality combat boot for a long time, and it's been like 2 years that I wanted to find a good pair. So for me, they definitely were worth it. The quality is really nice. The leather, the type of leather that they are is a calf leather. So very good quality, good on wear and tear. So yeah, I feel like they were worth the price. If you have the money to splurge on them, they're definitely worth the price.
So the answer would be yes to recommending them to somebody. Would you recommend them?
I would definitely recommend them. Of course, like, who wants to spend a lot of money? I would definitely recommend them, but if they was cheaper, girl, they would be definitely a keeper.
You're so sick. Okay, so
yes, I would definitely recommend them.
Okay, so what are the pros of these boots?
So definitely the pros of the boots is definitely the look of them. Is such a beautiful silhouette, very nice, and they're also really comfortable. That was like one thing that I was really afraid of, is the comfort factor of it. Because sometimes like the boots, they have like the really, really hard insole.
Oh girl, I know all about those.
And they're just uncomfortable. But with these, I've worn these so many times. Y'all, I even had a granny stop me and was like,
granny?
Oh my gosh, honey, those boots are so nice. And I was thinking like, thank you, granny.
Thank you.
So yeah, so definitely the comfort, the quality of the boot. And not only that, but I just feel like they are just so eye-catching also.
Okay, yeah, this is my favorite part of the boot. I love the pull tab. It is so nice.
So on the back, it has like a little pull tab on the back, and it's the monogram canvas. So it's actually just like a brownish color. It's not black like the boot, but it has like the brownish tint to it. So
okay, are there any cons?
So of course, I feel like the price could be a lot lower. Like, I'm cheap. I'm real frugal. So I feel like the con would be the price, even though I would do it all again if I had the chance to. I would definitely spend the money. And I also feel like, you know what, part of the leather, I can't remember what I did, but I scuffed the boot. But you said I could get that out though, right?
Yeah, you could just buff it.
Okay, so
it wasn't like a deep, you know, like cut in the boot. It was just like a little scuff, and I just feel like, girl, buffed it out, girl. You'll be all right.
But in my mind, like when I scuffed the shoe, I just saw money going down the drain. I was like, no.
Slow motion, no.
So I feel like the con is like every time like I take a walk or someone is really close to me, I want to be like, back up and give me 50 feet. Nobody stand around me, please. You see these boots? You see these boots?
Oh my goodness, you are a disaster, girl.
Just saying, like, I feel like that's a con because it's like I want to protect my feet at all times.
Okay, here is my question, because I have a hard time getting into boots like this. Are these boots hard to get into? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about this functionality, honey.
That I would say is a con also. Like if you are in a hurry to get somewhere and you just trying to throw on a boot, I probably wouldn't suggest it, because it's like this little turn closure that's on the side. You have to literally make sure that they match up with the boot in order to put them on and do the twist. So it can like take time to actually do that, and you really don't want to scratch your leather up. So I feel like that is a little bit time consuming. So if you're in a hurry and you always late to stuff, I wouldn't recommend it, because it's going to take a little bit of time getting into that boot, honey. Yeah.
I'm always late for stuff. Okay, is there anything else that you want to tell us about the boot?
That I love them. Like, they are definitely a keeper, and I'm so happy that I actually purchased this boot, because I have been wearing them like nobody's business.
Yeah, and I actually do think they make you look really, really, really like, I feel like it took your wardrobe to a whole nother level.
You think so?
Yeah, I really like them. I'm glad you purchased them too. Oh my goodness, whatever. Okay guys, so that was it for our video today. We really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, okay? Definitely leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you like the boots, if you have a pair of combat boots that you like more than these, or if you would even spend the funds to get the boots. Let us know what's up, okay? Until next time, don't forget to stay chic.